Hey y'all, welcome to Sweet Tea and Butterflies. Today we are working on a fall sunflower arrangement. This is little Avery's project. She pretty much did this one on her own with a few little tweaks and help from me. As I've stated before, she loves to craft with me. She helps a lot with our products and stuff. We're working with a little bucket there that says Gnome Sweet Gnome. I cut her flowers for her because I don't like her using those big old clippers. Got a lot of sunflowers, and this one's got a lot of oranges and yellows in it. Those little sunflowers that we're working with there are my favorite ones that I've got. Got them at Hobby Lobby, but they give more of a rustic feel and vibe to them. They're just really cute sunflowers. We really appreciate you taking the time to watch our videos, and we hope that you'll like, subscribe, share, and comment. Let us know what you think about the projects that we make. It helps our channel grow and helps us to help inspire other people to get crafty and creative. We happen to have picked a rainy day to do our crafting and realized that while we thought my son had fixed the leak on the roof, it's still not totally fixed, so we had a couple of little bowl things there to catch some drips. It only seems to leak when it rains really, really hard, but we've had a lot of rain here in Tennessee this summer, so been dealing with that, and he's supposed to come out next weekend and see if he can fix it. We've done everything, sealed it up. I just don't know. It's a struggle for sure. Little Avery's been crafting with me since she was 3 years old, and she started out with the floral arrangements when we had our shop back in 2016. I would be sitting there doing floral arrangements or lantern swags, and she'd be sitting up there next to me. She's like, no, Grandma, I think that needs to go there. Let's try it here. Let's try that now. She'd direct me, and she has a pretty good eye usually. So, and she's been crafting with me since. She likes to make jewelry too. We started out making jewelry, me and Dee Dee did. And when we had the shop, I was still doing quite a bit of jewelry as well. And I'd have her pick some beads and give her what she needed to string them on or whatever. And then I'd finish them off, for her, put the bindings, whether it be the earring hooks or the clasps and stuff on for her. We've kind of moved a lot out of the jewelry making. I still have all the supplies. I still enjoy making it. I've just found other things as well that we enjoy doing, and Dee Dee can't do the jewelry anymore. But we wanted to diversify a little bit, so that's what we did. Here Avery's kind of looking around in there and trying to find different, spots to put things in there. Realizing that we need a lot of filler. We need to pop some other stuff in there to fill some of those gaps. Avery's trying to decide where she wants to put that one big sunflower in there. And of course, Grandma's tweaking the back, and Avery had to wait for me to get done tweaking in the back. She likes to get goofy sometimes. My other granddaughter, Addie, is quite the character. She gets even more goofy. Avery's more the laid-back one, and Addie's got a very short attention span, and she's a character for sure. She when she's talking to you, her whole face tells the story. It is so entertaining to watch. Tried something different with this floral arrangement. Usually I buy floral foam or whatever to put in there, and we did a Halloween project that I used some of that spray foam, the insulator. So I made, after I got done with the project, there's a lot left in the can, and I don't know if any of you have ever used that stuff before, but once you use it, you need to use it all, or whatever's left in that can is going to go to waste because it's not coming out that tube. It dries in there, and that's that. So I decided to make some discs of, that I could trim down or whatever to put in for floral arrangements, and it worked out pretty good. It's a little bit harder to get the flowers stuck in there, but it works. And once they're in there, they're not as likely to come loose like with the foam, the floral foam. You move it around a little bit and it just creates a divot in there. Makes it easier for the flowers to come out of where you put them. Now we're just kind of looking for gaps in there that need to be filled. Next weekend I'll be crafting with Addie. I get them I swap between them when I get them all. So until then, we thank you for watching. We hope you like, share, subscribe, and comment. Have a great day.